What is Amazon FBA? Is it a way to make money online? Is it a business model? Is it a popular topic on which a lot of YouTubers are creating videos about? In this video, we are going to be defining and demystifying what Amazon FBA actually is, how can you use it to start an online business, and what is the overarching business model that you might get yourself into if you are interested in Amazon FBA. Let's get in the video. Over the past 5 years, Amazon FBA has gotten very popular. When you search for what is Amazon FBA on YouTube, you will be presented with tons and tons of videos and opinions about what it actually means. Amazon FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, which basically means Amazon is providing you a service wherein they will fulfill your products. Well, that is the literal definition, but that's not it. Amazon FBA is basically a service which Amazon provides to the sellers on their platform, wherein you as a seller can outsource certain elements of your e-commerce business to Amazon. So the question you should ask yourself is, what are those elements? What can I outsource to Amazon? Well, to begin with, first you are going to be outsourcing the storage. When you work with Amazon and sign up for the Amazon FBA program, you get to store your products in Amazon's warehouse, which means you don't have to rent your own warehouse or get a bigger place for yourself to store your products to sell it to customers, right? That is first. The second thing you outsource when you're working with Amazon through the Amazon FBA program, Amazon will do the heavy lifting for you. Whenever you get an order on Amazon for your product, Amazon will pick, pack, and ship your products to the customers. But that's not it. After that, if there are returns, refunds, or communications from the customer regarding your order with Amazon, Amazon will also take care of the customer support. Well, that is the literal definition of Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is not a business model. Amazon FBA is a service that Amazon provides to its sellers for a small fee that they charge you for each and every order that you receive for your product. When you sign up for Amazon FBA, you also become a prime seller. How does that help you? Well, if you are a prime seller, if you are selling through Amazon FBA, customers on the other side who are prime customers will receive your products much quicker. If they receive your products much quicker, they would definitely prefer ordering from you versus from a seller who is not an Amazon FBA seller, which means the probability of you winning in that niche, if you are an Amazon FBA seller, definitely increases. But let's take a moment and also understand what Amazon FBA is not. Amazon FBA is not a business model. Amazon FBA is just a service that e-commerce sellers use. Most of the people who are interested in Amazon FBA or who discover Amazon FBA are actually getting into a business model called private label e-commerce. In private label e-commerce, what you do is basically search for products which are having a good demand in the market, customize it and repackage it in your own brands, which you will create as an e-commerce entrepreneur, and then sell it to the customers by listing it on Amazon and sending in your inventory to Amazon FBA. That is the business model. The business model is private label e-commerce. So if anybody ever asks you in the future, what is the business model? Tell them it is private label e-commerce. You're not getting yourself into Amazon FBA e-commerce. There's no such thing literally like Amazon FBA e-commerce. That has just become more popular because it is one of the highly searched keywords on the internet, and nobody is trying to fix it. So if you learned a thing or two today through this video, do share it with 3 other people so that we can fix this incorrect misinformation that is floating around on the internet. Because whenever any student comes to me or if anybody talks to me over a Zoom call, I always try to correct them so that they can correct 3 other people. So let's start this chain and let's define Amazon FBA correctly so that people understand what business they are getting into, and therefore they can search for the right questions on the internet and get the right answers. That is it for this video. I just wanted to correct the definition. I hope you help me share this word forward. If this helped you, share it on your wall, tag a few friends, and spread the word about it. I will see you in the next video. All right, hey guys, I hope you found value. I hope you learned a thing or two. In this channel, I try to bring in as crisp and direct information as possible. Do check out the PPC Masterclass Part 1 and Part 2, both of which are filled with value, and I hope you learn a great deal. Don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, in my Facebook group, ask any questions you might have in the comment section, and do like this video and subscribe to this channel before you leave so that you can catch the next video and the video after that every week. I'll see you later.